let's work on bringing all that down to the UI, and then we'll work on the update on the autosave. So, all right, this one's easy, right? So, because it's a server component, so all we have to do is go to this page, journal page. You see where we have get entries. Well, we also just want to get the analysis for this entry. We can do this in like 3 lines of code. We actually don't need to do another query with Prisma. We can just say, hey, for this entry, just do, we can just do this thing called includes or include. And we want to include an analysis to be true. So this will work for the one that we just created, but the other ones won't have an analysis because we didn't have an analysis for them because they were created before we had analysis. So I might go back and just delete those from the database just so it works. But yeah, it'll work for the one that I just made because it has an analysis and anyone going forward. Cool, so now we have that analysis. Oh, wait, am I on the right page? I'm on the wrong page. I'm sorry. I need to go on the one that has ID on it. I'm like, wait, why does it say entries? You need to go to journal ID page. That makes more sense. Same thing though, underneath where, just put include analysis. This is like a join table in SQL or MySQL. This is like a population in Mongo. All right, and now we can just replace these values, right? So we could just say, cool, this will be entry. Actually, let me just, I'll just write them. No, I don't feel like writing them out. I'm gonna destructure. That's just, I can't do it. So we'll say mood, summary. Can you stop capitalizing that, please? There we go. Color, subject, and then negative equals entry dot analysis. And now we can just pass those in here. So this will be summary. This will be subject. This would be mood. This would be color. And then I guess the other one that I didn't add was, let me see, mood, subject, summary.
Is negative color?
Negative. Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm like, what? Negative. And then color. Oh, yeah, I guess color goes down here, right? Color is bound to this. Where is that? Right here. It's bound to this, right? So you basically just get rid of this CSS class, and then you add a style tag, and you say background, color, and then you would just say color. Cool. I'll save that. This thing's just freaking out because it's of TypeScript. So hopefully we're good here. Let's see what happens. Boom. Looks good. So the only one that's messed up is the negative one, and that's because it's trying to render a Boolean. So you'll just say like, oh, if it is negative, put the word, true, or false. If it's not, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, that way. Yeah. So if it is negative, negative is true. Otherwise, it's false as a string, and then it'll show. Cool. Pretty awesome. So right now, obviously, when we update this, it's not going to update in real time because we didn't go back and add the analysis function on the update API call, but we'll do that after we come back.